My heartbeat. Aroma.
You start with me. What is it?
What bothers you? Why are you crying?
Please, do not call me your heartbeat again. The air has ears. Besides, you are now a married man, and your wife Erima is very possessive. So I do not want to be in competition with anybody, and not your wife. So please, stop!
Bimi. You know, Aroma is not a match for you. You know in your heart, you know the truth. You're the one I love.
Indeed.
You're the one I want.
You say you love me.
Yes.
Yet you went and married another woman. And you talk about love. Please let go. Let go.
Please. Please. Calm down. You will not understand. Look. You're the only one I love. And the only one I will ever love. I swear. Nothing changes.
You hurt me.
I will not let you go. Obi, I love you. I will never love you less. Please, calm down. Please. I'm sorry.
Every night when the moon comes out from its hiding place, he makes love to me in the most passionate way. Am I not lucky? Erima, the most beautiful and priceless maiden in the whole of Ajasa, endeared and entwined by the tiger himself, Igwe Kanayo, and the gods of our land, to the most handsome, the most endearing man in Najasa. Oh, mind busy. Tell me, my friend, am I not lucky?
No, I don't think you were so lucky.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean you don't think I am so lucky? Oh, Dinka. Wait. Don't tell me you have been jealous of me.
Oh, far from it.
Then what is it?
Me, jealous of you.
So speak. What is it?
On my way to the farm, I saw something.
What did you see?
I saw your husband, Ndobisi, and his sister, Aroma.
It's a lie!
Wait, let me finish. In some sort of romance. To me, I don't think it's just a sister or brotherly meeting.
Where did you see? I said, why did you say that?
Yes. And I like your skin.
Oh, stop, please. You're flattering me.
I'm not.
You are.
And I'll kill any young man that comes close to me.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Rima, what is it?
What do you mean, what is it? Arwacho, stay away from my husband. I am warning you. Stay away from my husband.
What is wrong with you? Why are you shouting? He is my brother.
And
my
he
blood.
is my husband. My husband. I have the final say.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Whatever.
Rima, what has come over you? What is all this?
Hey, Debisi, look at you. You're asking me, Rima, what has come over you? You want to know what has come over me? I will show you.
Rima! Rima! Have you gone mad?
Debisi, don't try me. Don't try me!
What sort of embarrassment? Rima!
No.
Rima!
Please This woman has lost it.
Let me go.
She has lost it.
What are you saying, Aroma? You and I know this is not good. Ndobisi is not just any man, but our relative. It is not acceptable.
I love him so much, Ede. Neither you or anyone else can understand that. Just let me be.
How can you love your own blood? What are you saying?
What do you know? What do you know about love? You obviously want to understand.
I understand, Aroma. I understand. This kind of love between family members is a taboo.
It is not. The heart goes for what it wants. It is not my choice. I will continue to love Ndobisi for the rest of my life. I just want you to know that.
Even as married?
Not even marriage. Not even marriage or anything can come between the flames of love we both shared. Excuse me.
You are going to stay away from her.
Irima, don't tell me you're jealous of her.
What? Jealous of who? I can never be jealous of that insignificant being. Why should I be jealous of her? Talking about beauty. I am way better than her or any other maiden in the whole of Ajasa. And what else? Talking about...
Enough! Enough! Is it not evident that somehow you feel intimidated and threatened by her? To even think that I'll have an affair with my own sister?
It is not just the thoughts, Ndobisi. It's not just the thoughts. It is the closeness.
She is my sister.
Oh!
I'm only fond of her.
Fond of her, my foot.
Irima, I don't have anything to do with her. You're my wife. And the only one I love that way. Okay?
And where are you going? You want to go back to her, right?
Will you stop monitoring me? I am your husband, not your subject. Learn to speak to me with respect.
Ndobisi.
Oh, Biageli. Oh. The light of my heart. Why do you have that worrisome look on your face?
My lord, I have not seen my son today.
Obiageli, the son is not a kid anymore. He has gone out with one of the guards.
No, my lord. They said he refused them from following him. That he wanted to go alone. And I am worried.
So he left and went alone. He is not a kid. Your son will return. Huh? Now, see, don't fret. He will come back.
Okay.
Oh, one woman.
Hey! The great wanderer of Ajasala. What should I call you? Tell me. Okay. Lost soul. Or what else should I call you? Hey!
And what is the meaning of this madness of yours? What? Well, I do not have time for insignificant worm like you.
Hey! Are you waiting for your brother Ndobisi? Or should I call him your,
It is very, very obvious to me now that you are jobless.
Advanced nature.
My husband, I can see you're ready for hunting. And do you know what is more interesting?
What is more interesting?
I will tell you. The smile on your face whenever you are alone. Tell me, my husband, is it just the hunting? Or is there something else to it? Tell me the truth. Is it just the hunting or maybe what if I am overthinking? What if they are nothing but relatives who are just fond of each other?
Maybe he will no longer come. I should just fetch water and go.
I'm sure she was here waiting for me. If that nagging woman had not delayed me earlier, I would have met her here. Adimka, you startled me.
Why? Were you expecting someone?
Someone? Someone like who? Of course not. As you can see, I'm on my way to check my traps.
Sure. I can see.
Excuse me.
This cannot be coincidence. They are in love. This cannot happen.
What are you telling me? What are you saying? Do you realize the gravity of falling in love with your own sister? I know. Uzumba, I know.
What about Irima? Don't you love her?
Is it not obvious that I do not love her?
Then why marry her?
Uzumba, I was just a fool. I was only fulfilling her obligations. But she knew from onset that I never loved her.
Ndubisi, you're my best friend. And you know, I will always be there for you. But I must tell you the truth. This is wrong. This is very, very wrong. You better put a end to this before it gets a calamity that shakes the whole village. This is wrong. You are thinking about him again. Is it that deep?
Ede, you will not understand. He has stolen my entire being.
For how long have you felt this way?
For as long as I can remember. Even though we tried so hard not to make it go so deep, but we couldn't control it.
Oh. Now I realize it.
What are you talking about?
Some time ago I saw it vividly and clearly that we are cursed. An old woman appeared in my dream and spoke directly to me about it.
Ede, you have started again. What are you talking about? What are you seeing this time?
Aroma, this is the curse. I am certain about it.
What curse? Ede, I hope you're not trying to blackmail me with your trance and dreams. Now listen and listen very carefully. When it comes to this love, no trance, no dreams, no vision, no past, no future can ever come between us. Ever. I hope I am well understood.
Why are you doing this, young woman?
Who are you? And what is it that I'm doing?
I am Unduru, Jichi of Ozumba. The one you are trying so hard to destroy his relationship with your friend. Put a stop to this. Your evil plans against him. Else!
Else what? Hey, young man! Else what? You kill me? Eh? I am Oledo. I fear nothing. Not even you. So please, you better mind your business. Hey! 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 He's gone. Hey! Hey!
Stop! Oh no, no! Stop! We have to stop this.
No. Why? We can't stop this. I mean, this is all we are living for.
We have to tame this love. Because we are nothing but prisoners of love and it's not good.
We are not prisoners of love. We are prisoners of fate. I love you so much. And you know it. Nobody.
Dikeh.
Good day.
I'm fine. Mama, you're such a goddess. On your way coming, I couldn't help but notice your exceptional beauty.
You're such a man with a sweet word, Ozumba. And I love you.
No, I do not flatter you. I'm telling you the truth. You're the most beautiful maiden in the whole of Ajasa Kingdom. You're a goddess. Your beauty radiates the whole place.
Ozumba, stop. Thank you. Thank you for the sweet words.
You're so beautiful, and that's why I love you.
And I love you too. Where are you going to?
I want to see my friend on the visit.
Oh, my son. Which maiden do you think of?
Erima.
Who?
There is no maiden beautiful enough for me in this kingdom. There is only one maiden I love, and her name is Erima.
Stop it. Stop it. I forbid you from mentioning that name here.
My son, get to see that she is a married woman. This is not love, but lust.
More than that.
I do not care, mother. She is the only woman I love. Excuse me.
Son! My lord, your son is treading on a dangerous path. And this is not good for him.
Erima! Hey!
Hi. Adimka, what is it? Why are you running as though you were set from the hills?
My eyes. My eyes, oh!
What is wrong with your eyes? What happened?
My eyes have seen wonders in this land.
Speak forth. Is it about my husband and that trash?
Your husband and the one you call trash are together.
It's a lie! It's a lie.
It is the truth. Erima, you have to open your eyes. That girl you call trash is gradually taking your husband's attention away from you. They may be relatives, but I tell you, she is the one he loves.
No. Ndubisi cannot mock me. He cannot mock me.
What? Is that all you have to say?
Oh, that cursed worm will hear from me. She will hear from me.
That's my Erima talking. I expected you to do this a long time.
Ndubisi, you will not take me for granted. You will not take me for granted. I am not a fool.
Erima, what do you speak of?
What do I speak of? You must think that I am a very naive and insensitive woman. Where have you been?
Erima, instead of you to constantly attack me, you should be showing me how much you love me.
Showing you how much I love you? How? How do I do that? Come of it, Ndubisi, you do not even care.
Yes, I do. I care. But there is no love there. All there is bitterness.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare speak of bitterness to me. When all you've done is maltreat me since the first day of our marriage. Where is your sister? Go in and call her. Tell her I need to see her. Are you blind, deaf or dumb? Which of the above?
Are you talking to me?
Wait. You're asking if... Oh, good.
Erima,
Yes.
you seek my presence.
Yes.
What is it?
A simple question I have for you. What do you want from my husband? Why is he with you? Aroma, why won't you let me be? Why do you seek to divide my home? Why are you threatening my marriage? I ask you a question, answer me.
Erima, it is all in your head. Your husband is my brother. And there is nothing between us.
Nothing, you say? Yet you have roped him with you. Obviously trying to lure him into your magnet of misfortune.
Take that back!
I will not take it back. You're not a magnet of misfortune.
Erima, you are wrong. Once again, I have no secret whatsoever with your husband. Go home and put your house together and stop transferring your frustration on me.
Fine. I will believe you this time. But listen to me. Listen to me very carefully and pay attention to the fire in my eyes. I swear, if I find out that you are having an affair with my husband, I swear by the gods of Ajasa, I will pluck your eyes. Let that sink.
Enough! Go and meet your wife. I've had enough.
Obim, please. Obim.
You heard her. Go home.
Shut up! You must speak to me with respect. Now, talk to your sister. Tell her I await her tonight.
Greetings, Father.
Where are you going?
Father, since when did I go back to being a small boy? I am an adult. I can go to anywhere I choose to go to.
Ikennaya. Yes, you're an adult. But you see, ever since you started this your wild, foolish preference for married women, it has gotten us worried. Very, very worried. Worried to the extent that if perchance you foolishly consummate your actions, then our name, reputation, everything about this palace goes down in ruin.
Father, let me worry about me and my actions.
Ikennaya, I forbid you. I forbid you from going in search of married women.
Dare to stop me. Dare!
Ikennaya!
My lord, don't. Let him be. Let him be for all we care. He might just be on a mission. Don't wait. Don't.
Ndobisi, I know you are here. Ezedibia, Eye of the gods, I have come that you may help me. This love, This love is driving me insane. I need your help.
Tell me, what do you seek? And what have you decided?
I have decided to fight. To fight for this love. And not let it die. I have come for your alliance. You're the only one that can help me. Ezedibia, you swore to protect me. Remember the relationship between your late father, Ezedibia Nkembo, and my late father. A relationship that has continued with us till date. You cannot turn your back on me now. Now that I need you the most. Ezedibia, Aroma is the only girl I've known as a sister and a lover. You would not want to throw me into the lion's den by revealing our secret. Please, Ezedibia, help me by protecting this secret. Please help me.
I am touched by your speech. My father still speaks through me, though I am blind. But I can see the truth. You have my silence.
Ezedibia, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. May the gods bless you with more wisdom. Thank you. Thank you, Ezedibia. Thank you. Thank you.
To me, why are you keeping me quiet? You're killing me. Why are you crying? You don't want to say anything. Ogini.
Mama, it isn't to be seen. It isn't to be seen.
What did he do?
Mother, as if our marriage is not bad enough. He has gotten worse.
What did he do to you? Did he raise his hands on you?
Mother, it is worse than that. I wish he raised his hands on me. Mother, I have totally lost him. Mother, he sucks my breast no more. He doesn't even devour my pot of pleasure anymore. He has eyes on that girl. He has eyes on that two-faced, wretched sister of his.
What did you just say?
Mother, he's in love with Aroma.
May the gods forbid. Aroma is his blood sister.
Greetings, Ezedibia. Eye of the gods.
The gods are angry. And I cannot keep this secret any longer.
Ezedibia, I have tried. I have tried to kill and bury this feeling, but to no avail.
Try harder. For when the dark cloud peruses the sky, and the evil set to loom the wondrous sky, then you shall cease to love her.
Eye of the gods. I am nothing but...
Ah! Enough is enough. You shall do this very fast. Else, I shall expose you.
Eye of the gods. Ezedibia.
waiting for you in DBC.
I am your love and not Ndubisi.
Listen, I have been waiting to tell you that I can no longer continue with this relationship. I cannot continue anymore. I mean, this is too much for me.
My love, I know we've been through a lot, especially you. But we cannot stop love from existing.
We have to stop it. Kill it and destroy it. Something within me tells me that this love will be our death.
Then let it be our death. I am ready to die in your arms, my love. It will be the greatest gift from the gods.
Tubisi, please. What is wrong with you? Please do not bring the gods into this. Else they will remember us and crush us to shafts.
Not until we consummate our love. Again and again and again and again.
Stop! What love are you talking about? We are nothing but prisoners of love. And that is what will remain for the rest of our lives.
Then let us be prisoners of love forever. As long as we share and wallow in this secret bliss, my love.
Tubisi. I will meet you.
You know I'm your brother. And I will always protect you from evil. Don't worry. Erima, any problem? I was only talking with my sister.
Arwama! Stay! Touch me! Stay away from my husband.
Erima!
Ndubisi!
Erima! Have you lost your mind?
Daliense! Come with me!
Erima, have you gone mad?
You are mad! Let's go home!
Erima, you're hurting me!
I'm sorry. Ma, you kept me waiting. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Why are you smiling?
I don't know why I'm smiling. I'm just happy. You need to see the way Ozumba sang for me today. My Ozumba, tell me, Oledo, am I not lucky to have him?
Lucky with who?
Ozumba, of course. He bears his love to me as if we are bonded by the gods. I love him.
My dear ma, don't be too sure about it. Don't be too sure.
Why does she speak to me in such manner? Oledo, wait!
Close your eyes.
Why you ask me to close my eyes?
Oh, just close your eyes. Don't you trust me?
What is it that you want to tell me? Tell me.
Close your eyes.
Okay. My eyes are closed.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. I love you, Uma.
Oh.
You're the most beautiful maiden in the whole of Ajasa kingdom. Your beauty is like the sun that lights up the sky and leaves the spots.
Oh, Ozumba, your words are like sweet wine, so sweet to the soul that it sent shiver down my spine. Ozumba, listen, I love you.
I love you too.
And I'm so privileged to have you. Come here.
I love you. I love you, Ma. I will forever love you if only you give me the chance to love you.
Of course you know I love you. Stop.
How can Uma be this happy? Yet I'm here alone wishing for love. This has to stop, and very fast. I have to put an end to whatever they share. I have to! Yes, I have to put an end to it. Oh, Ma, she can't be happy. I have to put an end to it.
My friend. What are you doing here and why the sad look on your face?
You are the cause of my sad look.
Hey! How? I don't understand. How can I be the reason behind your sad look? Tell me.
Ma, are you blind? Can't you see that man Ozumba has nothing to offer? Eh? Aside his looks, he has nothing to offer.
Oh, spare me that. Stop it, Oledo, stop it.
Hey, Ma, my friend, please open your eyes. Eh? Can't you see that Ozumba is a womanizer who goes around the village frolicking with other beautiful maidens?
Really?
He did it to me. I shot him.
Well, Oledo, listen. I am not interested in your fabricated stories, okay? Please.
Owo, Ma, you did not believe me? She did not believe me. We shall see. We shall see.
What is it? What is bothering you? You've not said anything. Everything. Everything around me is fighting our love tale. I mean everything. I don't understand. Everything? What exactly is this everything you speak about? The chief priest is a Dibia. He's at the verge of exposing us. And there is nothing I can do about it. Because if he does, I shall be a laughing stock. And Aroma, my beloved, shall be a thing of mockery. I see. Now I've realized I shouldn't have married Erima. That is the biggest mistake of my life. There shall never be love or peace between us. Ndubisi, you're my friend, and I must tell you the truth. With Aroma, yes, there's love between you both, but peace, I doubt. Mind you, if you keep this up, you end up hiding this for a very long time. And like you know, there's nothing hidden under the sun forever. Someday the people will find out. Then what will you do? What will you do when the people find out what is actually going on between two of you? Ndubisi, I suggest you end this and try to build love over my dead body. That will never happen. Aroma is the only one I love. And the only one I will ever love for the rest of my life. I see. As usual. I guess you never needed my advice. You only needed someone to validate your point on your love for Aroma. But my friend, I shall not support evil. It is wrong. She's your relative, for goodness sake.
I saw them. At Imka. They were so close. He was holding her so close. But then... But then what? Something else bothered me last night.
Something else like what? Irina, you know I love to know all the information.
Yes.
So please tell me.
You like to get all the information, even if you do not know what to do with them. I had a different thoughts. What if what? What if we are mistaken? What if they have nothing to... what if they are not entwined?
Don't play that naive woman, Irima. You and I know that something is actually going on between them.
Yes. But thinking of it from a different perspective, I feel he is showing her that kind of affection, knowing fully well that she is the only sister he has. Adinka, think of it. If they had something going on, the gods would have disgraced them. He would have revealed everything.
Hey! Erinma, the gods are wise. Maybe they are just waiting for the right time. Hey, Erinma, there is nothing to think about. You know the truth. You're just trying to deny it. You just want to lay low. Maybe when she finally takes your man from you, then you will open your eyes and act.
She will not dare.
She has even dared you, and more.
Adinka, what do I do? I'm confused. What do I do?
You need to confront her. Put her in her place where she belongs. That is what you need to do. Yes.
She caught us and slapped me.
She slapped you?
Hey, wait! Please, do not go. It will give credence that everything is true.
Aroma, when will you stop this your fleeting burning desire? It has to stop, please.
I'm trying, my brother, but Ndubisi wouldn't let me. He keeps coming back. And whenever he does, I get entrapped into his love nest. His eyes holds me bare. And the next minute, I am bedazzled into his harrowing desire. My brother, I need help. I am disturbed and on the edge. I need someone to help me out of this love that seeks to claim my entire being. Please. You are my brother and my best friend. Please.
Ledu, you just startled me.
Is that all I do to you?
Stop it. I beg your pardon. Stop. I was just here waiting for...
Me? You're waiting for me, isn't it? Huh?
No. What's wrong with you?
You are... Yes! I'm here. Mama, I saw him. So he told me you were coming. So I decided to wait for your arrival. Isn't it? That is exactly what I would do. Yay! This is why you are smiling like this. You were with him again, right?
Of course, yes.
Hey.
I was with Ozumba. He told me sweet words that got me basking in euphoria. Listen, Oledo. Ozumba is not what you think he is.
Ijoku.
Yes.
Hey, Ma, my friend. I've heard you. I will give him the benefit of doubt.
Oh? You sure do.
That reminds me. When are you going to see him again?
You mean Ozumba?
Yes.
Okay, see. I'm going to be at his abode before twilight. I can't wait to see him.
Hey!
Yes.
Okay, shall we?
Sure.
Rima, you scared me.
Oh, really? And who were you waiting for?
And what business of yours is it?
Aroma. Aroma, take a look at you. With all your beauty, no man, not even the worst of them all, looks your way.
Erima.
Is that not odd?
Erima, do not offend me.
No, I do not wish to offend you. It's just a pity that you are a beautiful mistake.
Excuse me. Erima, what did you just say?
You heard me right. Or maybe it's a curse or a bane. But listen to me, Aroma. If you are cursed, let that curse be fulfilled on you and you alone. Do not drag my husband into it.
You know what, Erima? I will just respect you because you are the wife of my brother. I will not stand here and listen to this rubbish you have to say to me.
Oh, come back here! You know what? I find it very endearing that you and your brother are inseparable. Aroma, let me warn you. Stay away from my husband. I repeat, stay away from my husband.
Erima.
Or maybe, just maybe you are a witch. But let me tell you, the next time I see you anywhere around my husband, you see these eyes of yours, I will block them. That no man will ever look your way.
You can do nothing.
Oh.
Read my lips, Erima. You can do nothing to me. You're nothing but a noisemaker. You can do nothing to me, not in this life and in the next life to come. You can do nothing. Now get your filthy hands off me, you jealous and insecure woman.
It's fine. But we shall see.
We shall see nothing.
Fine.
We shall see nothing, Erima. We shall see nothing. Why don't you just let me be? Why do you always stalk me around? Is it a crime to be close to my brother? What nonsense.
Erima, I'm off to check my second trap for the day.
Okay, make sure you catch the biggest of them all, okay?
I'll try.
You do not know what is coming your way.
My love.
Stop it! This will never happen again. This will be the end of our love tale.
Roma, it is me, Ndubisi, the love of your life. Please.
Let go of me. Let go.
Roma.
All it is you?
Yes, me again. Ozumba, I know you weren't expecting me. Well,
What is it?
my back is scratching me. Please, can you help me?
No. No, I can't.
Why? It's simple. Just help me scratch it. It is itching me so badly. Please help me, Ozumba.
No, I can't. I can't now. Please.
Ozumba, if you don't help me, I might go naked. You know you can't stand that.
Oh, no.
Then scratch.
What is it? What is it?
What am I saying?
No, Mama, no. It's not what you think.
Mama, don't mind him, oh. He asked me to come and help him do something. As I was about doing it, he said to ravish me until you came.
Yes. Liar! She's lying! Mama, she's lying!
Come back here. Where are you going? You rapist.
Leave me alone.
You a liar.
Wait, leave me alone. Mama.
Ede, Why the stained look on your face? What is it? You had a bad dream?
No. Aroma, you know I love you, right? But something seems to be looming around you.
A day.
Yes. Vultures do not hover around corpses only to display their affections.
Eddie, what are you talking about? You're making me terrified. I don't understand. Eddie, I'm scared. What is going on?
Please. Ozumba, leave and never come back again. I don't want to see you or have anything to do with you again.
Please, let me explain. Allow me to explain to you.
Ozumba! You have no shame, oh. You have no shame. So after all you did, you still come here to smell my name the more. Ozumba!
Shut up! Shut up!
Hey! Ozumba! Oh, what actually have you come to do? You are so shameless. You are so shameless. So you want to have two close friends. Two best friends for that matter. What a man indeed.
My friend, shut up! Shut up!
Enough! Enough!
Shut up!
Enough! Leave my place of abode and this arena now. Come.
I'm telling you the truth. She's only...
Ozumba, leave! Leave! I don't want to see you again. Leave! Ozumba, leave! 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 Go! It's okay. Don't mind him.
Ma, I swear on my father's grave that Ozumba has been stalking me.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. Ozumba keeps telling me things to draw me to him. But you know me, Oledo, I can't stoop so low to have something to do with that he-goat. No.
Enough. Oledo, stop it.
Oh, it hurts to hear such about him. Don't tell me you are still in love with him. No. Don't tell me you are still in love with that pervert who wouldn't mind sleeping with two friends and getting me pregnant. Huh.
Who told you that?
He did. He told me that he wants me to have a child for him. He also told me that when he looks at me, he sees undeniable beauty that he has not seen in other maidens. He told me. Ma!
Greetings, my...
Here comes the most beautiful woman of this kingdom.
What does the prince want from me? Why are you stalking my path?
Your beauty bedazzles me. And I can't wait for a chance to express how much my heart yearns for you.
The prince stalks the path of a married woman? That is tragedy.
Tragedy is that her heart goes after a man that does not look her way.
Well, let me be. And go after other maidens. Excuse me. Unless I forget, I could suggest someone else to you. My friend Adimka.
You're evil. You're so evil-minded. You're evil-minded. Look, you better go back to her and tell her all you did was tell cheap lies against me.
I will do no such thing.
Look, I said listen to me. You will tell her you...
Let go of me!
I lied against me. What is it? Sorry.
You broke my heart.
I didn't mean to. Why are you lying against me?
I know.
Why are you lying against... Stop.
Uzumba, you know I want you in every way, but you will not oblige me. Why?
You can't have me now. Why don't you understand? See, it's her that I love. And she's the only one I love. Why don't you get yourself somebody else? I didn't mean to hurt you, but please, just let me be. Just leave me alone.
It's okay.
I'm off to Keke's place. I want to get fresh palm wine.
It's half day already. Are you sure you'll get fresh palm wine?
Yes, I will. I already told him to reserve some for me.
Why are you staring at me like that?
You seem rather happier than usual.
Well, maybe I have decided to be happy and see life from the brighter side. My husband, your heart longs for me alone. Is that so?
Yes, you are. You're my wife. I'll be back.
Go well. Yes. I am your wife. But your heart longs for her. Irima, I will put asunder to every love tale that exalts itself above Irima's beauty. No woman, I repeat, no woman will outshine me in this kingdom.
This is a quiet place I've prepared for us, where no one shall disrupt our love. Come, sit. Don't worry, we are safe.
It's quiet and beautiful.
You like it? Only the birds in the sky can hear us. We are safe. I love you.
I love you too.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Irima. Irima.
You will not do this to me. You won't do this to me.
Irima, please, calm down.
No! No!
How could you? How could you do this to me? After everything, I loved you with my life. I gave you everything. And how did you pay me? with this horror sister of yours?
Mind your words,
I
Aroma!
will not! And you, listen to me. You bad daughter of no one! Oh, I swear! I swear, as long as I breathe and stand on the dust of this earth, I will destroy you. Aroma, I will destroy you!
Rima, what's the meaning of this?
Dubisi, what have we done?
We have done nothing. We have done nothing.
How can you say that?
Calm down. Calm down. I'll protect you. We're safe.
Protect me from what? Enough already. Please. Dubisi, go to your wife and let me be.
No. Aroma. Don't mind her. You're the one I love.
Go!
Please don't do this. Aroma, no. Aroma, don't go. Don't go. Don't go.
Let me alone.
Aroma! Whoa! Ma, please. I am begging you.
You still have the nerves to come here, Ozumba. Ma.
Why are you laughing at me? See, don't tell me you still believe that liar. Don't tell me you're still falling for her whims and caprice.
Listen, Ozumba. I don't want this again. Just go back to her. Go back to the one you are so engrossed with. And leave me alone.
Ma, how do you mean? How do you mean me engrossed? So you still believe that liar?
No, Ozumba. The only liar here is you. I was coming to meet you for an explanation. For me to see both of you holding each other. The way you were holding her very dear to you. Ozumba, I am done. Leave me alone. Please.
Ma, it's not what you think. See, it's not what you think.
It's not what I think. Ozumba, stay away from me. Please.
Ma, no, don't say it like that. Please. Ma, I love you.
Huh?
Please.
You love me, Ozumba. It can't be. You can't love me. You can't tell me you love me. It's not possible. The only one you love is Oledo and not me. Go and meet her. Stay away from me. Leave me alone. What is all this?
Ede, where are you?
Aroma.
Ede.
Aroma. You look on the edge.
Yes, it has happened. It has happened.
What has happened?
And where is that good-for-nothing sister of yours? Where is she?
She's not in.
She is not in?
Yes.
Well, I wish to see her. So go in and tell her that she should come out and face me if she is not scared of me.
This is our abode. You do not have the right to come here and demand or ask anything.
How dare you?
Enough! Do not lay your hands on my brother again. Enough, I said.
Finally she shows forth her face. Aroma, you now have the guts to challenge me. You have the guts to challenge me. Well, listen to me very carefully. I shall crumple you to shambles. I will ruin you and whatever remnants there be left of you.
You wish. But I tell you, you can do no such thing.
Oh. Really?
You heard me. Once again I say to you, Erima, you will do no such thing to me.
Oh. She says I will do nothing. I, Erima, will do nothing. Now listen. Your life is at the tips of my finger. I swear, you will mourn the day you knew Erima and for taking the love of my life from me. You have no conscience. How could you? How could you stoop so low as to falling in love with your own brother? My husband. Now listen to me. I will not warn you again. My husband's sister.
Aroma. Aroma! Aroma, come! Aroma! Aroma, please wait.
Ozumbam, you and I have crossed so many hurdles.
Ma, I've told you times without number. Stop stalking me. Allow me to rest in this village.
Stalking, you say? No! It's called love. It's the love I have for you that makes me to come after you every other day.
Leave me alone.
Oh. Mama, yeah? It's a surprise you are here.
How are you?
I have come for the man I love.
Really?
Yes. Ozumba is the man after my heart.
Yes. Well, you are wrong about that.
You are the one that is wrong about it. My eyes are now open and I can see the lights. I knew Ozumba never had anything to do with you. Yes. It was all your plot to take him away from me. But guess what?
He is mine!
He is mine!
He is mine! It is on my chest he rests every other night. It is my breast he sought to fill his manly desires. Huh? Ozumba, tell her. Tell her how you made love to me. Tell her!
She's lying.
Ozumba. Tell me she's lying. And I swear I will feed her bones to the wolves. Tell me she's lying. Tell me she's lying.
Ozumba! 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 Don't be busy. Ozumba! Who's chasing you? Why are you panting like this? She... Who is she? Hey! She found us. She found us. Hey! Wait. I'm in trouble. You mean your wife found you at Aroma? Ozumba. Hell is about to break loose. How? I don't know what to do. She found us. What do I do?
Relax, listen.
I'm not relaxed. I can't be relaxed.
No, Bisi.
Hey, relax. What do I do?
How did this happen?
Oh, Ozumba, she found us.
Erinma, you mean up to this moment, you have not done anything concerning the issue at hand? Erinma, you are kind-hearted. Can't you see your husband and Aroma have no regard for you? And you're here asking me what you will do. Can't you see? And you're here asking me what you will do.
I know what to do.
Then do it. Go straight to the palace. Tell the king what you have seen.
Yes. But then my husband. If I report them to the king, he will be severely punished. And you know what that means? I may lose him.
Hey! Erinma! Sometimes I wonder how you think. It cannot be hidden for too long. Soonest, they would be disgraced. You have to do it. You have to do it. Go straight now to the King Palace and report. Put Aroma in his place where he belongs.
I heard her voice.
Oh. Greetings, my friend.
I heard her voice.
Whose voice?
The beautiful Irima.
Yes, she was here, but she is married.
I want to see her.
My prince. Hi.
Why is it that no reasonable man in this village looks my way? Why? Oh, the gods of our land. What have I done wrong? What has Adimka done wrong? Oh, my brains.
Mma! Where is my one and only friend? Mma! Mma! Hey! My friend!
What do you do?
Eh?
Why are you here?
I don't understand. I'm here to see your course. Mma, why are you laughing? What is funny?
Stop the pretense, Oledo. You and I know that you are jealous of me.
Jealous of what?
Yes!
Me? How? Why?
Why? Stop pretending and be gone! You unfriendly friend and viper of Ajasaland. Leave!
Mma, how dare you? How dare you use such callous words on me? Huh? Have you forgotten how strong and intertwined we are?
May the gods forbid. Oledo, the only person who has forgotten is you. Leave my abode now, else I will crush you and call the beast to chase you far away. Leave! Oledo, be gone!
Enough.
Crying? Hey! Hey! Is that all you can do? Or does those tears remind you of how empty and desolate you are? It seems you are the cosmic. You are cursed. I'm sure you have finally realized your place in this field. Aroma, you are full of death. You are cursed just to lust and roam after your brother. Hello, your own brother. Stand here.
Let go.
Does it hurt? Does it hurt to hear the truth sinking into your heart? Come back here. I'm talking to you. I am not done yet.
Get your hands off her. Otherwise you would not know what will hit you this minute.
Let go.
Aloma.
Rima, I've always been here for you. I've always been here. Just that you did not realize on time. Maybe if you have chosen me, your life will not be this miserable.
Why do you remind me of that?
To remind you of your exact words. The heart wants what it wants.
Not anymore. I do not care. I do not care what the heart believes in or chases after. Because what is mine is mine. And now I will destroy those two. I will destroy and put asunder to those two who have brought nothing but pain to my life. Who have ruined my happiness. Who have taken peace from Erima.
Erima, I'm talking to you.
What is this? What?
Allow me to talk to you.
The heart wants what it wants.
Erima.
Erima, you ignored me, the prince. Heir to the throne for a nobody, a commoner.
Hi! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. In fact,
You are a fresh morning leaf. See, let me tell you, I have been thinking about you every time. In fact, I started thinking about you from the former days. Even the classes here, they will bear me witness that I have been thinking and I'm still thinking about you.
Hey! Atalamonche. Atagonumafu. Even you, Okoro. Why don't you want to leave me alone in this village? Why?
How can I leave you alone, Otum? You are supposed to be my wife. In fact, right now we are married. So, rethink. Follow me, let's go home. If not, I cannot leave you.
Look at this shameless drunk. This wanderer of Ajasaland.
Are you talking to me?
How dare you open this your smelling mouth to profess this your stupid and useless love to me? How dare you?
So let me tell you. If not for one...
Don't you?
Huh? Are you talking to me? I know you're not talking to me. Let me tell you, this thing you are moving up and down belongs to me. Stop shaking it. Come, let me add some oil to your temple. Because the worshippers in your temple are very stingy. Stop moving this thing up and down. Hey! Hey!
Ozumba! Ozumba! Mmadụ ọ nọkwa ya o? Ozumba!
Hey. You again?
Ozumba.
What is it? Wait, why are you bent on disturbing me? What do you want from me?
What have I done, eh? Did I do wrong thing by coming to visit you? Eh? Anyway, I am happy that you will not near or set your eyes on that desperate worm, Uma.
Let me ask you, what has Uma done to you? Uma has always been a good friend to you, hasn't she?
My friend? Uma is not my friend. Eh? Maybe she considered me as her friend, but she is not my friend.
Are you trying to take Uma's place?
Hey! Take whose place? Eh? Ozumba, I am taking what rightfully belongs to me. Sim take her place.
And what is that rightfully belongs to you?
Ozumba, you. You.
Stop it. Uma, stop it.
Ozumba, can't you see? I love you.
I don't belong to you. I don't want that to have anything to do with you. Please, let me be.
Ozumba, please.
Stop! Let me be. Please, just let me be.
What do you seek, Ndubisi?
Why are you after me? Please, help me. Help me, please. Please help me.
No, I will not help you.
But you promised to. You promised to help me. Please, treat me like your brother. You cannot let me perish. You cannot let me die. Ezadibia, please. Please. I'm begging you, please help me. Help me, please. Please.
No. Do not come after me.
Hey.
Do not. Go and fetch the music alone. For when the spirit decides to follow its path, then it shall be ready to face the music that calls it. Do not follow me!
Please! Please! Ezadibia! Hey! One more! Please! Hi! Huh?
The king demands your presence now.
Okay. I am coming. I'm behind you.
After you. Now. This way.
Action.
This is not life. How can this be happening to me? How can I be ignored by all the meaningful men in this kingdom? Only useless people come around me. How can... I say Aroma is cursed, but I'm actually the cursed one. No, I am cursed to be abandoned, to live and die alone.
You are a dark moon that terrorizes the night sky, for its light is swallowed by the overwhelming darkness.
Woman, what have you come here to do?
Your beauty is a waste. It's a pity. You are nothing but a waste.
Your foul words mean nothing to me, Erina.
They do. Since you have refused to stay away from my daughter's husband, you shall remain barren all your life. I curse you. Your day shall become night, and you shall weep all your morning. You shall go blind, lost, weary, looking for whom to love you, but none you will find. You shall not hear the sound, nor wipe the tears of any child. You are cursed.
Are you done, Awele? Now it is your turn to listen to me. I hereby return your curses to any of your offsprings that suckle this breast of yours. May these curses return back to them and be fulfilled in their lives, not mine. How dare you? What do you want to do? You come to my abode and you want to raise your hands against me?
The king demands your presence at the palace now.
What wrong have I done?
You must come with us. Now, move!
Go with them! That's you. Sleeping with your own brother. Go! Go and meet them.
I really do not understand what Ezedibia means by the bond between Aroma and Dubisi cannot be broken. I thought you wanted to say something else. Here.
My sister, I'm as confused as you are. How can two siblings fall in love with each other? This is unheard of.
The worst part of it is that the gods have remained silent over this matter. Here. Oh, Your Majesty.
Ezedibia, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you. How do I repay you? How do I ever repay you for this kindness? Thank you. Thank you, Ezedibia. I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you.
Zina twalo malo mana twalo fe koma fenyisi novya Nye ndibundo kenye no na wevu na gibu nwata rigole no jini ya we anya mabule zo kwali
Stop! Mama. Why are you chasing me? What is it?
Mama, my love, hear me out. Please listen to me. Can't you see it's all Edu's plan to break the bond of love that we had?
Hey! The bond of love, you say?
Yes.
Listen, stay away from me.
No, I can't. You're my life. I cannot stay away from you when you know you're my life. Please, I love you. I can't. Please, I beg you, ma. Please, see. You know what? Let's just come back together and try and work this out again.
Over my dead body. May the gods forbid. Listen, Ozumba. You and I are not coming back together again. Stay away from me. And don't you ever come in search of me again. I warn you this day. Ma, don't come close.
Ma, please.
Don't try it.
Mama, I love you. Ma, please. You know I love you. Ma, please.
It gives me uttermost bliss to see them torn apart. For I shall quench every fire or seeming flame that seeks to rekindle that love. I shall do that.
My king, I swear to you. I saw them. They were together, passionate as ever. My king, I am not lying. They are involved.
The great Dibia, who represents our gods, who speaks for our gods, who sees for our gods, cannot lie. So I take exception to these your confessions and recriminations and lies, and I Kwetarom.
My king, I am not lying. I swear.
Leave. I said, leave. You want me to throw you out? Guards!
As my king wishes.
Ndubisi,
We cannot be here. Please.
Obim, I've tried, but I cannot control myself. Last night, I vowed never to see you again. But when I woke up and the sun rose, all caution flew into the wind. And here I am again.
Ndubisi,
Obim,
this love is killing me. I'm scared. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore.
what are you talking about?
I have this feeling that this love might destroy us.
Then let it. We shall fight for our love.
No!
Yes. Yes. Together, we shall fight for it. I love you so much. You're the air that I breathe. You're the reason I'm alive today. I cannot live without you. And I cannot love another. Bim, I love you so much. No, it's not what you think. I can explain. Let me explain to you.
What do you want to explain to me? What?
See me out.
Ozumba, you're heartless. You're wicked. You shattered my word.
No.
Ma, you have not heard the last of the worst, or better still, the best. Ozumba is mine. He belongs to me. I only to have him, all to myself. It's in my womb that his child grows.
She's lying. Please believe me. Believe me. She's telling you a lie. Ma, please come back. Ma, please.
Hey.
You are evil. These are your plan. Plots and twists to snare me. It won't work. You will never have me.
I have done that already. Your child grows in me.
Ah! You lie. You liar. You lying. Look, you want love, right? Let me tell you this. You will never, ever find love here. Never.
I have it already, Ozumba. I have it already. Your child grows in me. Your child in me will change everything.
You lie. You lie. You're evil. Ma, are you going to? Why are you walking alone? Or why are you walking alone? Is there any problem? Where are you going to?
Ozumba, what is the meaning of this? Get out of my way.
No, I'm just asking you a question. What are you doing on this lonely path?
Ozumba, I said get out of my way!
Are we quarreling? Are you looking for someone or something?
Ozumba, get out of my way! Get out!
Rema, take it easy. Take it easy. I only came here to get some herbs. And I saw you on this lonely path. I know it's not good for a woman to be on this path at this time. It's risky. I'm only asking you a question.
I heard my husband's voice here.
Where?
And I know I heard it somewhere around.
Your husband's voice?
Yes, I can feel it. My husband is here.
Why are you overthinking? What are you saying? What would your husband be doing in such a place? Eh? Even me, I came to pick some herbs for... You must be imagining things.
I'm not imagining anything. I want to go in.
Hey, Rema, take it easy. This is a very risky zone. Women don't come here like this. What are you saying? How can your husband be here?
Let me just check him.
Hey, Rema, I am telling you, you don't know what might happen to you here. What will your husband be doing in such a place? It's a dangerous place. Just go home. What are you doing here? Where's that harp set? Let me look for that.
My king, my shield. I do not think Irima would have framed up a lie as grievous as that when she knows the consequences.
What are you trying to say?
Something doesn't seem right, and I feel it.
If what she says is true, then it means our gods lied. You and I know that our gods can never lie. Again, if what she says is true, of course our gods would never spare them. And calamity upon calamity would have befallen this our land.
So, did she lie?
She lied. The heart of a woman is deeper than all the oceans of this world put together. There is nothing a woman scorned cannot say. There is nothing she cannot do.
Here comes her son.
Father,
Why is your face like that?
there is something I want to tell you.
What have you come to do in our abode?
Your abode.
Yes.
You call this an abode? Well, this is not an abode. It It is cursed, and everything that lays therein.
What do you want? If you have come to see my sister, she is not in.
Well, tell me, since your sister, after seeing all the hell and hearty men in this kingdom, still runs after my husband, her relative, her blood, does she do that with you also? Tell me.
Don't you get it? I just told you that my sister is not in.
I will await her return. I said it. I said it! It was you. It was you!
What are you talking about?
What do you mean, what am I talking about? I heard my husband's voice. I heard his voice. I knew it was you. I knew.
I don't understand what you mean by that. I don't.
Well, look me in the eyes and tell me.
What have you come here to do? Can you state your mission, please?
Good. Since you don't know why I am here, I will tell you. I, the wife of the man your heart longs for, whether you accept it or not, is carrying his child.
You mean to tell me that you're expecting his child?
Are you surprised? Won't you congratulate me? Now listen to me and listen very good. I will rip this child in my womb. I will rip it so hard it will no longer be there if you do not stop seeing my husband. And trust me, the blood of this child will be on your head. Do not dare me, Aroma. Don't dare me.
Erinma, do you know that this pregnancy is everything?
You need to see how I blackmailed her with the child in my womb. And do you know what is more interesting?
What? Tell me.
I have it all planned out. She will never be able to rest again with the news of the child in my womb and with the fear I instilled in her.
This is indeed a tragedy for her.
You have spoken well, my friend.
Stubborn fly floats the corpse to the grave. When you hear the physisto hearken to the voice of wisdom, it goes down with the head when it is cut off. Oledo! 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 Stay away from Ozumba and his relationship. Stay away from him!
Ozumba, my friend. My life is about to be jeopardized. Your life is about to be jeopardized. Why is it always about you? Why? Ozumba, why do you speak to me in such manner? Why won't I speak to you in such manner? Why won't I? You are a very selfish-minded human being. You're very selfish, yes. It's always about you. You don't think about others. You don't even listen to me while I talk. At times, I wonder I became a friend to someone this insensitive. Me? Insensitive? Ozumba? I see. You've always been jealous. Oh. Me, Ozumba, Jealous of you. Over what? Let me see. You must be a fool to think of such. You call me a fool? Yes, you are. Listen to me carefully, Ozumba. This cord of friendship we've had since childhood that you have decided to break, you will regret it. I won't regret anything, Ndubisi. Ndubisi, I will not regret anything. I will not. What is it? Everything is always about you. What have I even gained from you? Instead, you had to my words. What is it?
That cannot be true. Both of you are seeing things in different and odd ways.
Father, if you do not believe anyone, then call Priestess Agida.
My lord, our son has a strong and valid point here.
For all we care, Ezedibe may have covered up such atrocious lies perpetrated by Ndubisi and his so-called sister Aroma.
Ma, please forgive me. Please, I beg of you. Please.
Forgive you. Forgive you say. Forgive you for making love to my friend and spilling your seed in her womb. Tell me, what should I forgive you for?
Ma, please, I beg you. Look, I beg you to forgive me. And I'm very certain Oledo is not pregnant.
Of what use is it to me? Tell me. She is now yours and you belong to her. So go and meet her and leave me. Okay? Please stay away from me. Ozumba, I'm begging you. Leave me alone.
No, please. Please just forgive me. I beg you.
Do you know what? If you're done, stand up and leave. I am done with this. Stay away from me. I am begging you. Stay away. Leave.
You really think I cannot do anything to you? That is why you have refused to do what I asked you to do.
Bianduru or whatever you call yourself. That you disappear and appear cannot make me fear you. Eh? If truly you are the tree of Ozumba, fight for him already and stop wasting time. Ogenede.
I can just end your life now.
Upe.
Because I can see that you are not only careless with actions, but also with words. But I will not. Oledo, just know that no evil goes unpunished. Oledo, be warned.
Wait.
Why do you reject me?
I have something very important to say to you.
Something important?
Yes.
Tell me.
It's about your wife, Erima.
My wife, Erima? Attacked you again?
No, she didn't.
What about her?
She said she's pregnant.
Erima is pregnant.
So she said. But how does that make you feel? Sad? Worried? Happy? Which one?
Happy! I'm going to be a father! I'm going to be a...
Wait! Come here. Where are you going? In her arms?
Aroma, I'm having a child. That changes everything.
Do. What do you mean by that changes everything? I don't know. Please stay with me.
Aroma,
Stay with me.
I have to go.
Please stay
I
with me.
have to go to my wife. I'm going to be a father.
Hey! Have you seen it? Your reign has come to an end. Aha! How could you, in your imagination, your stupid imagination, think you can get hold of someone's man forever? How could you? You were nothing but a trash. Now let me tell you, Erima is pregnant and will soon bear him a child. But you will roam about this village looking for love that will never come. You know why? You are cursed! Cat woman! Who's this? Don't come here with your drunkenness!
Our love has been joined by the gods. It's confirmed. Even the Igwe is aware. Forget the elders. They are aware that we are meant to be together. Let me tell you, Ndubisi has found a love potion. Me and you can take our love potion to Ukwacha. We'll be comfortable there. Accept me now. Or the gods will remove something from you. Either from the front or from the back.
If you dare touch me, I'll deal with you.
Eh? You! Let me tell you, if you love me now, better for you. If you delay, the gods will remove something from either from the back or from the front. Think fast.
Come here!
We are supposed to be together. Stop moving this enough and hey! We are together. My love, allow Ndubisi to compare two people. To be hey! My love is becoming an enemy of progress. Come to me, let me help. Wait, let me come to you. Don't run. Hold on. I am coming. We must marry. In fact, we are married already. Hey! Stop shaking it. Stop shaking it. Erima! Erima!
Erima! Erima!
What is it?
Erima, tell me it's true.
What is it?
Erima, tell me it's true. Are you pregnant? Talk to me. Are you pregnant?
Oh, she finally told you.
Erima, please, tell me. Are you pregnant?
Yes, I'm pregnant.
Hey! Yes! Gods of our land! I'm going to be a father. I'm going to be a father. Erima, oh, my wife. I love you so much. Yes! I'm going to be a father. Yes!
This child will not be birthed if you do not stop seeing Aroma.
What are you saying?
What I am saying is that if you do not stop seeing her, this child will not come into existence.
The gods forbid!
Yes! The gods forbid. The gods forbid the love bond between you and that pain! Listen to me. Remember how you were warned that you are going to have only one child. So tell me, are you ready to lose that child because of a fleeting desire?
That is the truth.
That I will have a child? An only child?
Sudden shall be the news. And when the news comes, your entire life will change again. And that child will be your only begotten son.
So now what? Are you speechless? Or do you want me to put my plans in motion? You won't answer.
What do you want me to do?
Ndubisi, look me in the eyes and swear to me. Swear to me that you will never go back to Aroma. I want you to swear. Do it! I'm waiting.
I swear. I swear to you that I'll never go back to Aroma again. I swear.
The look on your face sends shiver into my spine. What is it?
The mark.
The mark?
Yes.
It's appeared yet again. What have you seen?
What have you heard?
Erima expects his child. And there is nothing I can do about it.
No.
What do you mean by no?
The mark entails it all. I saw it in my dreams last night that you...
That I died? Is this one of your evil dreams, Ede? I am telling you that I've lost him completely to her because she's pregnant. I hear you are making things difficult for me.
Erima is not pregnant.
What are you talking about? Are you sure about what you just said?
Yes.
Erima is not pregnant?
She's not pregnant.
Very good. Then I shall go to him at once and inform him before she lures him into her misfortune.
Roma, don't go yet. The one who is pregnant is you. You are pregnant, Aroma.
Ede.
Excuse us. My son, are you alright?
She rejected me. She rejected the prince of this kingdom. I, Prince Ikenna. Mother, can you imagine?
What are you talking about?
I can have any woman I want. Erima, I must get her.
My son, you cannot ruin the reign of your father because of your perverted desire.
Mother, I've made my decision. And there is no going back.
Tell me, why did you take away the only one that ever gave me joy?
Take what or who from you? I don't understand.
Do not pretend with me, Oledo. You and I know you took Ozumbe away from me.
He really did not love you.
Really?
Yes.
You stabbed me at the back, you daughter of evil.
You are so naive, my dear friend. While you were basking in his love, he was plotting to ruin you.
Really?
Now he left you. He left you in shambles. Emma, nothing matters. Nothing matters, Emma.
You are worse than the deadliest halo of death, Oledo.
Are you just realizing that? Thank you.
I will not curse you. You know why? The predicament you carry is worse than the deadliest curses.
You won't dare curse
me, because you will see the true colors of my wrath. You won't dare.
Tell me. I pity you. I pity you, my dear so-called friend. Tell me, how could a beautiful maiden like you stoop so low as to try to live the life of a friend? Tell me.
I told you you'll soon be disgraced. This is just the beginning. Well, out of my abundant magnanimity, I'm giving you last chance. Last chance, Ini Edo! Last chance!
Guard. Go to Priestess Agida. Bring her here. I hope it's a wise decision.
Yes, Father.
Ndo! Who is here? Ndo Bisi! Where are you? I am ready to tell you everything! Ndo Bisi! I guess he's not at home.
Aroma. Aroma. Aroma.
Greetings.
Where is your sister?
Have you finally realized the truth?
What truth is that you speak of? I ask you, what truth?
I have been searching everywhere for you.
Aroma, I have come to tell you that we must stop this. And now, I am about to become a father. Erimma carries my...
Lies.
How dare you, Ede? How dare you?
Ede, tell him the truth.
What truth are you both referring to?
My sister Aroma is carrying your child, and not your wife Irina.
That's a lie.
It's no lie, Ndubisi. My brother's vision and trances have never failed.
Oh, I see. Now you both want to tie me down with such callous lies. Huh?
How dare you? How dare you, Ndubisi? How dare you reduce me to such level when I am sure I'm expecting your child? Can't you see?
It cannot be. It cannot be. You're my sister. It's not possible.
Ndubisi, it never mattered to you. So why now? Why? Even as you hear that I'm expecting your child, you still do not care?
Because it's a lie! It's a lie! Erima is the one who should bear my child, and not you. That's the way it should be. Now listen, I don't want to see you again.
You shall go, but you shall come back. Because your heart belongs to her, and hers yours.
Why? Why have the gods chosen to spare us till this time? Why?
Maybe they are giving you enough time to refute your fleeting desire. Or maybe, just maybe, they approve of your love tale.
in the tips of my fingers. And his whole life lies in my hands. The minute he betrays me, he knows what is coming for him.
Hey, Erima.
Yes, Adinka.
Oh, are you really pregnant?
Pregnant?
Yes.
Of course I am pregnant. Well, my dear friend, I will see you before twilight. I have to leave.
Okay, see you later.
Aroma!
Ede, what is it? I hope it is not about your trance and dreams again.
Aroma, the priestess of Ogidi land is here.
Ede, I hope it is not what I'm thinking.
It is. I bet you Ezedibia will not be spared of the king's wrath for keeping such secret.
Oh, gods of my forefathers, I've always said it. This love will be our end. This love will be my death, Ede. What do I do? What do I do? Please tell me. What do I do?
My love, what is it that bothers you that has drawn you deep into drowning thoughts? Tell me. Why are you staring at me like that? Robin, talk to me. What is it?
I am scared of my fate. Should my secret love affair with Aroma come out?
Fear not. I, Irima, will not let it out.
Are you willing to cover this for me?
Yes. And I will even do more.
I don't know what to say. I want to know. Are you...
If I am pregnant, listen to me. Is it not obvious that I am the only one who cares about you? And yes, my darling husband, your wife Irima is pregnant. Come here. I want you to lean on me and forget your sorrows. Aroma is your sister. She will only bring you ruin. And I, Irima, I will make you flourish and forget your sorrows.
your hands down. At least I took him away from you. Yes. I am Oledo. I might be an orphan, but I always get what I want. I bite, I crush, and poison. You are a weakling, and that is what you will ever be for the rest of your miserable life. He will never. When it's time for it to come forth, I shall find a way. But for now, no one will ever find out that I'm not pregnant.
Oledo! So you've been lying to me? You've been lying to me! I heard you! Shut up! Shut up! I heard everything you were saying! You were not pregnant!
Oh, Zumba, you are...
Will you shut up! You're not pregnant!
No, I'm pregnant.
You've been lying to me!
I'm pregnant.
I heard you! So I'm free!
I'm pregnant!
I'm a free man!
You heard nothing!
I'm a free man!
You heard nothing!
I'm free! You're not pregnant! I'm free!
You heard nothing! Zumba, I'm pregnant!
Ma!
What is it, Ozumba? What is it?
Ma, I want to tell you...
Say whatever you have to say and get out. I don't want to see you.
It's
what?
Oledo, it's...
Don't believe whatever he has to say.
Ma, she's lying. She's not pregnant. She's not pregnant.
Lies. Lies!
You are the one lying. I heard her pouring out her heart. She confessed she was never pregnant. That she did this just to set the two of us apart.
Lies! Lies!
You were never pregnant.
I am pregnant. I am pregnant, ma. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Liar.
He is mine. You are mine.
I'm not yours. You're never pregnant.
Really? He is mine and mine alone. No, you lie.
She's not pregnant.
Listen to me, Oledo. Ozumba is mine and never yours. Stop it! What is all this madness? He is mine. Really?
You're not pregnant.
He is mine, ma.
No!
He's mine.
Stop this madness.
I'm not yours. I'm not yours.
No. I shall turn my back on you, Ndobisi. From henceforth, you shall find your way.
Ezedibia, Eye of the gods. How do you mean I shall find my way?
Do not come back to my temple again. Go and face the wrath of the gods.
Ezedibia, you're scaring me. You're scaring me, Ezedibia.
Let me tell you something. Your wife is not pregnant.
What? You mean Irima is not pregnant?
Aroma is carrying your only child. Go and protect it. You must protect it. Go away and find your way. Go! Or your blood will be spilled.
happen. No, Ma, you can't have him. No, you can't have Ozumba. No, over my dead body. Hey, no. I need to do something. What do I do? What do I do? Yes. I need to see Atakatabo at once. I need to see him. What's happening? Who is there? I can't see. Who is there?
Aledo!
Hey.
I told you that no evil goes unpunished.
Hey, I can't see.
Yes, I told you. You are lucky enough that I'm Nduru, the gentle bird. I would have killed you because you dared me. Look at what you have cost yourself. Look at what you have cost yourself. Now you shall wander in the world of darkness for the rest of your life.
No, Nduru, please, no, Nduru, I can't see. Everywhere is dark, I can't see. Nduru, please, I beg you, please, don't do this to me. Please, don't do this to me. I have lost everything. I know I dared you, but forgive me, I'm an orphan. If you leave me like this, I will die. I don't have anybody to take care of me, please, Nduru. Hey, I was obsessed by love and jealousy. Hey, please.
You will not die. Nothing will happen to you.
Okay.
You will live as long as you are supposed to live. But you shall live in darkness.
Hey!
Of your life. Farewell, evil one.
No, don't go. Hey, I can't see. Nduru, don't. Hey, Nduru, please, where are you? Please, don't go. Hey, Nduru, please, don't go. Hey, I can't see. I can't see. Nduru, please, don't go.
Hey! Surugere neti na manu. Isim kube. Surugere neti na manu. Isim kube.
Oh, babe, what do we do? Where do we go from here? I'm scared.
My love, do not be scared. For you and my child within your womb is all there is for me in this world. I shall protect you. Okay? Don't worry. Ozumba, Ndubisi, my friend, I have to leave.
See, you have to leave this village right now. This village is no more conducive for the both of you. Okay? Please, you have to leave now. Go.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you, my friend.
Go. Be careful.
Take care of yourself.
Okay. Be careful. Right? May the gods lead you.
Back. Where are we running to?
We must continue to run. The gods will not spare us.
Please, I cannot leave Ede all by himself. I can't.
Ede is a man. He will take care of himself. Let's go.
No, my love. I'm weary. I'm tired. Please.
That is why I'm here. Huh? Ngwa, get on my back. Yes, get on my back. I shall carry you. Anyapo.
My king, you have to do something. They are eloping. They will be together forever.
Where are the warriors I sent out?
You may have no need to come after me anymore. For I am here. And yes, I love Aroma. And in her womb grows my seed.
My king. Hey! Hold your peace and be calm. Maya. Lied with the gods. That's an abomination. Sacrilege. And I tell you, your head shall roll.
No, Your Majesty. He did not lie. He only kept the truth away from you all. Because you were not ready to accept the truth, Igwe.
Priestess and eyes of light. What truth?
Your son, Igwe. Your son, Igwe Kanayo. Your son.
What has my son got to do with this?
Your son is the one standing before you. Prince Ikenna is not your son.
Father, what is she talking about?
Your son is standing before you, and his name is Ndubisi.
Abomination. What? Abomination. What? What is happening? Wait. Hey, my son?
Father, what is she talking about? Eh?
Ndubisi is my husband's son.
Remember the fortnight of the adventurous hand of the moon many years ago. A woman came upon you even before you met Obiagweru, your queen. And you met her by moonlight and she took him. He is the fruit of that night. And Aroma is not related to him by blood. Binye was only a woman who had taken him when he was a little child and abandoned by the stream where his mother, Ekema, had drowned herself. No one knew about this secret, and everyone had believed that he was her son. Binye was the only sister of Egoibo, Aroma's late mother. Prince Ikenna here is the adopted child.
Hey, shut up there! Shut up! Shut that imbecile up! Shut him up!
Father, how could you do this to me? It's ridiculous. How could you do this to me, Father?
My son. Ikenna.
Asi no taja nwa ma taja siki nugbo. Akwozi nwa ndari ezi kezi woni ezi nwa no ja dere na mma. Akwo jeli ku nwi jeli ku nwo no ku ija na ba ni igbe na mgbede egbe na beje ma na ba na bodagwu eri.
So, I have been chasing shadows all my life. Ndubisi is gone and will never come back to me again. I'm sure the king will not join his son with a commoner. Yes! I am nothing but a commoner! I have lost my Ndu. I am not worthy to be royalty. I've lost the only man that I've loved all my life. I've lost him. My life is worthless. My life is shattered. It's shattered.
I want to see your face. I want you to stand before me while I slit your throat and send you to the other side of the world. That child in your womb will not be birthed and called a royal one. No, not while I am alive. Your life ends in my hands. It is nothing but leftover. Aroma, not even your beauty will remain.
Son, you shall choose between Erima, your wife, and Aroma, the woman that will give me grandchildren. And whoever you choose shall be accepted. Of course, if need be, your marriage shall stand nullified.
Your Highness, Father, my heart belongs to Aroma. She's the only one I want. She's my choice. Excuse me, Father. Let me fetch her at once.
What are you waiting for?
I'll be back.
Okay.
Why did you come so hard? What did I ever do to you? Why were you born, you daughter of misery?
The only daughter of misery standing before me is you, and you alone.
I swore to the gods that I will destroy you. And that is exactly what I will do.
I dare you! I dare you, Erima! Do your worst! You can't do nothing to me!
Rima, please don't do this to me, Rima, please. Rima, please don't die. Rima, please. Rima, please fight for your love, please. Rima, please. Rima, please. No! No! Rima, please.
What is going on? Aroma! My love. Aroma! Aroma! What happened? Aroma! Aroma! Oh no! Oh no! Aroma, please, please, please! I'm here. Your love is here. Aroma! Aroma! Aroma, wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Aroma, wake up! Please! Aroma, please! Oh no! She's alive! She's alive! What? Aroma!
Aga sokenye pona afusie nwate begini. Haru mawekolo analudikire jide okwa haru okaru haru nemeno geje haru nemeno geje haru nemeno geje nkabu kwa geje haru geje Gesione kolone mama, gesione kolone mama, gesione kolone mama. I'm not doing it again. Please, gesione kolone mama, gesione kolone mama, gesione kolone mama. Ma, Azumba, please push me. Alune meno, geje, alune meno, geje. Akoko efebe Ako wuru no kwa no Hello Forgive me Ageji no kwa dosa Ijebili no. Is anyone close? Okwa netibu kwa mado Okwa na adajibono Ma forgive me Aga sokenye pona afusie nwate begini. Ma Ozumba Oneshi robodo akamudi ocha Ngesione kolone mama 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 Ngesione kolone mwana Alune meno geje Alune meno geje Akoko efebe Ako wuru no kwa no Hello geje